Naga Panchami as, it's a celebration of animals. And I think it's a celebration of the human-animal interaction and how it unfolds different dimensions as to where all the life is connected. It's not just about a human being, also is an animal, according to science. And when Dr. Ramkumar was discussing, I think we know the languages of human beings only. So we don't know the language of animals. In folk tales, lots of times, there are instances where, the hero is given the power of, the special ability of understanding the language of birds, language of animals, and he is able to achieve something more. So probably, if we knew the animal language, then probably we would have had lots of surprises about what animals think about human beings and whether we have domesticated them, they have domesticated us. So we are still ignorant. And I think probably it takes one more project to unfold those not traversed regions of animal-human interactions. So, next slide. So when we talk about human-animal interactions, what I'm going to do is touch upon certain historical aspects, then go technically into what exactly is researched already in the human-animal interactions. And obviously, in the Western world, the research has been much more vast, extensive, because number one, socialization has a very different concept in the Western world. Second thing, probably they have the talent to look at everything, document everything in writing. So, though India has a very, going back to more ancient times, we have a very long history of human-animal interactions, which I'm going to actually go through those. So, but even then, we don't have documented data, research data, methodologically sound study data regarding human-animal interaction. And that is where this project actually becomes very important. And as I've already observed in my conversations with the esteemed guests, multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary knowledge is what is required in the modern era. And we are fast moving ahead towards the smart intelligence. So the human beings need to be smarter than the actual smartphones. And that is where connecting to life becomes more important in the era of